Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you have the Avata 2, you most likely have this little controller right here. This guy is very good, very amazing quality for controlling the drone, but I have to admit it is a little bit slippery in the hands. So I was looking for something that could kind of give me a little bit of texture when I'm holding this. And I did find something here on Amazon. Let me show you guys what we have. Let me just pop this guy out. This is just basically a silicone sleeve. And what this is going to allow you to do is to kind of add some extra texture to the controller. Now, for the most part, this is just going to fit in. You'll be able to just press it through just like this. You should be able to just pull this over the trigger like so, and then position it as you need to. And then as you guys can see, all of your buttons are available. You have your 5D button here. You have your pause button here, your return to home. Your dial is available. Your record button is here, right here on the side, as you guys can see. And the power button is on this side. Now there is going to be a little bit of finagling to get it just where you want it, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. Now, this does come with a lanyard, and you also receive the same lanyard or a lanyard with this controller. And you guys can see how you connect the lanyard right here at the bottom. Do wear your lanyard, and you still have access to your USB-C and all of the other buttons. So for me, I'm going to tell you guys right off the bat, this feels so much better. Yes. That feels so much better in my hands. So hopefully this is a product that you guys might want to take a look at if you're looking for a way to add some extra texture to your grip for your controller. Yeah, this could be a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.